Well, good Saturday. Ozempic update. Let's see how many fingers I got. Number 8. Well, let me bend that back around. There's 8 of them, yes. I got enough fingers to count it for a couple more times anyway. So I've already loaded up. This is my second prescription they've sent to me. It's 0.25 again. I'm at 302 pounds. Get me a cleaned off there. Insert the needle, hit the button. I count to 10. Well, I count to 6 or 7 or 8 or 10. Who said I could count? I graduated out of the 6th grade. Let it out. So, all good this week. Ozempic, all is good with that. No problems. I'm getting impatient because there for a while I wasn't going anywhere on it. So, anyway, not much to report. I guess that's a good thing. We just, like I said, just got my new prescription in, and I've got 6 more needles on this batch, so I'll bring y'all back next Saturday. Keep on keeping on.